guys, it's art drawing, and so I'm just gonna draw a cupcake. I don't know to draw a cupcake, but let me try my best. But so guys, welcome to art drawing. I like art. I'm ni Maria Crystal Shine. Baby Sensual's video. Today, it's my first time drawing video drawing. It's my dream actually. So guys, it's Maria Crystal Shine, Baby Sensual's drawing first time. So, first level. Let me draw a house. But it's purple. My second favorite color is purple. Oh, sorry guys. Alright. Okay.
So, kayo, naglaro na ba sa mesa? Kumusta? Siya kasi, magaling man sa sugat. Pero gusto niya akong talunin. Impossible yan. Tama. Hindi na naglaw si Boy sa kanya. Paano niya matatapos sa kanya? Ikaw talaga. Ilaban nilabot mo. Pare, pumusok ka. Sino ka ba? Kuya Miguel, bakit po kayo dito? Miguel, kami tatlo. Naglaro lang dito. Walang dayaan. Walang oras sa maliligit na bagay. Hindi kita hinahanap na yun.
Sinong Santos? Nakita na naman tayo.
Ang swerte, nakita na naman. Ipapakilala ko sa inyo sa aking mascot.
So,
Sa kanyang
we
pagdidinig.
need a second floor. Look at that. I started drawing, you
Pero
guys.
din ako. Siya ang dahilan na ako yung nalugi.
Hindi kita hinahanap na yun.
I started to show you the drawing, so I did
Sinong Santos?
too.
Abala si boss. Bihira lumabas. Hindi siya. Mga basura.
This color,
Hey! Bakit mo sinasabi
because
ko
my
Miguel?
classmate
Kung hindi ka
give me this color.
Hindi ako lalaro.
Okay. Kung ayaw niya lumabas, pipilitin ko siya lumabas.
Actually, I lived into the Philippines. My classmate in daycare moved in America because I don't know. I think her mom
Itataga ko
work in there. I think.
ang 17 ay 1% lang ang tsansa. Sa laro na to, hindi dapat ilagay lahat sa isang basket. Alam mo ba to?
I wish I was in the US. But I'm in the Philippines. I want to see my favorite YouTuber.
Tama ang taya. Walang problema, Kuya Miguel. Mayroon pa ako dito.
The Anuzola family in the sailors. I don't know to pick.
Gino Flores, nalaro ba ba?
Siyempre,
Huwag ng pagkuhin.
itataya ko ang tatlo.
I hope Sailors Matter
May naglaro.
watches this because I'm her biggest fan and the Anuzola family.
Talaga, tingnan natin.
And the Anuzola family,
Gino Flores, sigurado po ba kayo?
Sigurado ako.
and the Anuzola family want
Ito mga turugiro, hindi ko ang numero.
the Anuzola family too. I want them to watch my
Sa
videos.
isang iglap lang, ipapauwi na kita sa kinalakihan mo.
I'm really
Ano yan?
begging for subscribers. I'm really begging. I'm really begging. Destination. Destination.
Wala kang buhay? Tamad.
Huwag kang gumalaw! Gusto mo? Huli kang dayaan. Gusto mong patayin kami? Ma'am Cindy,
Okay.
sa kasino na to, kinukuha ako ng milyon ng milyon. Hindi ba ako siya? Narito kami ng samahan,
I
kaya
wish I have the I live into the US,
sayang naman.
but I cannot because of my
Putulin ang kanyang binti.
cousins. I need to move out with my cousins.
Nahuli kayong dayaan. Gusto niyo kaming patayin? Ikaw na
I
Gusto mong
literally,
Ilang kamay mo
we are
para putulin?
my cousins and me. I have two
Hindi kami bumabalik!
cousins. My two cousins and me are trios. We never fell apart, but we fell apart of our
Senyorita de la Cruz, handa na ang kontrata. Diba?
fell apart in our house. And I'm almost finished.
Pirmahan! Ang dala pa sa ipinaghirap ng tatay mo. Kung pipirmahan mo, kahit mamatay ako, hindi ko siya makikita.
Matakaw.
Yes,
Anong klaseng bagay ang
I'm
babae?
almost
Binibindot
finished.
siya, putulin ang binti. Huwag kang lumaban! Ginong Santos, ayaw mo ba talaga makipag-ayos sa akin? Hindi naman. Gusto lang kitang kausapin. Pinipigilan ng tawag mo. Kaya, pinagpapalala
Yeah.
Rosa,
Ginong Santos, ano ba gusto mong pag-usapan? Baka gusto mong pabayaan ko ang pamilya de la Cruz. Boss Mendoza, nagkakamali ka. Pumunta ako dito. Hindi para sa kanila. Gusto ko itang kausapin.
This is my
Tungkol sa isang tao.
drawing.
Sino yan?
And can we add people? Thank you. I don't have skin color, and I think this is my new wallpaper. I don't know, just I don't know. Eh. I really use the big ones. It's a girl. It's real garden. And guess the girl is the garden. Right now. Tell in the comments. Ah. Didi. Below is Didi. I really love him. They really love pink, I say. And who is recording? Guess it. You have the iPhone 17 Pro Max. My cousin's trying to get the iPhone Pro Max, but they cannot because of their parents. My parents can't do anything to me. They can spoil me. 3, 2, 1. Wait. We need a name. If you answered already, if it's correct, I'm gonna say you the account one. It is me. If somebody is wrong, I'm sorry, you cannot get it. So, bye guys, bye.